So today we are going to be walking you, the potential student, on how to register and pay either the deposit or the tuition in full for the class that you're interested in. So the very first thing that you want to make sure that you do is go to our website, and our website is academy4da.com. So we have it right here in the top. Once you're on our home site, you're going to notice that we have all of our courses laid out on the very front. You're also going to be able to see our blogs and our reviews. Once you know exactly which course it is that you're trying to pay for, on the very top band, you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on the cart option. The page is going to refresh. And what this is going to do is it's going to display all of the courses that we provide for our students. So you're interested in a 12-week dental assisting training program, right? Well, you have two options. You can either pay the tuition in full, or you can pay the deposit and save your seat and still get access to all of the online features. Well, let's go ahead and let's make the program deposit. The page is then going to refresh itself, and the very first thing that you want to verify is that under the product line, the price is the price that we have displayed on the screen. But then also you want to make sure that the quantity only says 1. So you can highlight the quantity and put in the number of courses, which should always be 1. And then you want to make sure that you click on Update Cart. This is very important, otherwise you will be charged for 2 courses when you only need 1. Once you have updated the quantity, make sure that you look at the different payment options that we have displayed for you. We do have a telecheck option, and what this means is that you can pay directly from your bank account. Because you're using telecheck, you will need to verify your ID, and you can do this by using your driver's license number. The importance is that you do have to type it in specifically as we have displayed here. So you want to put the abbreviation of the state that your driver's license was administered in, the initial of your last name, and then your driver's license number. Please make sure that you do not put any dashes, and you type in the abbreviation of the state that your driver's license was given in, the initial of your last name, and then your driver's license number. No spaces and no dashes. You also do have another option of paying with a credit card or a debit card. Please be aware that regardless of whether using a credit card or debit card, you may be charged a 3% convenience fee. So if your money is in your bank account and you're trying to use the debit card, just go ahead and sign up for the telecheck. It's still safe. No one gets access to that information except for you, and you're not being charged that 3% convenience fee. So once you have looked at your different payment options, you have verified that the quantity of the course is 1. What you're also going to see in the same screen is the option to purchase the textbooks. The textbooks that you do need for class are the 12th edition Modern Dental Assisting. The authors are Bird and Robinson, and you do need both the textbook and the workbook. We sell them on campus as a bundle, brand new for $175, but you can also check through Amazon, Barnes& Noble, or even eBay to see if they sell the books. Once you have verified that all of your information is correct, you're going to go ahead and click on the button that says Proceed to Checkout. This will bring you to a new page where you will go ahead and you will enter your billing details. Once you are done entering your billing details, you will also enter your email address. This is very important because we will send all of the important notices and enrollment agreements to your email address. You will create an account password. This is what is going to allow you to log in. And after that, you will go ahead and type in your registration details. You will start off with your first name, your last name, phone number we can contact you at, your street address, your city, state, and zip code, your date of birth. You will start off by choosing the year first, and then you will change the month and the day. The final box that you will be filling out is the legal name box, where you will type in exactly how you want your name displayed on your state certificates once you graduate from the program and finish the internship. Next, you want to make sure that you agree to the terms and that you read the terms before continuing on to the next page. The website will ask you to choose how you heard about us. So whether it was Craigslist, Facebook, or even a friend, you will choose an option. And again, it will display your order exactly as it was placed before. If you're using your credit card, you will put in your credit card number here, your expiration date, and your security code. Now, let's say you want to pay using bank transfer. You will go ahead and unclick credit card and instead click the bubble that says telecheck. As we explained before, you want to make sure that as you're putting in your information that the routing number is double checked. This will be your bank routing number. The account number that you want the money being transferred out of, so whether this is your savings or your checking. Check number, you will go ahead and type in 0001. For the check type, make sure that it's personal. And for your ID type, you're going to go ahead and you can place your driver's license number. You do also have the ability to use your social security number, your tax ID, or your military ID. But the easiest for everyone is your driver's license. Again, make sure you start off with the abbreviation of the state that you got your driver's license from, the initial of your last name, and then your driver's license number exactly as it is displayed on your driver's license. No dashes and no spaces. Once you have finished putting in the details, whether it was your bank routing number and account number or your credit card information, you're going to go ahead and click on the Place Order button. Once you click on the Place Order button, the page is going to refresh and you will be prompted on to the next steps. It is very important that on this page you choose a class date. So on the right hand side, you will be given different options of the classes to choose from. We do have Monday night, Wednesday night courses, Saturday 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. courses, Monday 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. courses, and Thursday 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. courses. We do have classes that start every 13 weeks, and once you know exactly which course you want to be in, you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on the Enroll Now button. This is going to prompt the website to ask you, are you sure you want to enroll in the class? And you're going to confirm that you do want to enroll in this specific class. As the page refreshes again, you will now see that you are able to start the course.